Hello, everybody. Like I said, I wanted to expose a wide variety of physiotherapists from different walks of life to IT software and their uses, their benefits, their disadvantages. So, today we are coming up with a physiotherapist who not only has her own practice, but she is specifically working towards physiotherapy post cancer. Not only that, she goes as a visiting physiotherapist to several centers like Rajpath Club, to several centers which are associated with cancer therapy, trusts, hospitals somewhere in Paldi. And she has got such a multi practice that her not being associated with IT is something that needs to be looked into. So let us welcome everybody once again. So welcome Dr. Deepal of Care Plus Physiotherapy. Welcome, doctor. Please tell us a little bit about your journey into physio.
Yes, hello, Dr. Sachi. You have already given my introduction, but let me just give a brief idea about my practice. So, I'm practicing since 20 years now. I have done masters in cardiopulmonary conditions, and I have my own clinic, which is named as Care Plus Physiotherapy Clinic, located in Thaltej area, where I treat all the orthopedic, neurological, as well as cardiac conditions. And it is well equipped and advanced technology based clinic, but I do believe in personalized physiotherapy. So that is my actually USP, you can say, that every patient is different, so accordingly we plan and give treatment. Along with that, I practice in cancer rehab, which is quite upcoming area for physiotherapy, where after cancer treatment, all the side effects which can be there after the treatment. So I basically try to prevent those complications which can affect their quality of life.
That is a very wide array of things you're doing. And since I already know that you're working post cancer and very much actively, my next question would be that since you're working in 3 or 4 premises, have you been exposed to several different IT softwares? Is each of the place using a different software, or you are not getting associated with software at all?
Basically, I have recently started using this software at my clinic. At other attachments where I'm going, there is a receptionist which handles all these things.
It's on paper or it's with a software?
It's on software only, computer-based software. But personally, I'm not familiar very much with any other software use. Even at my clinic, I have just started using it, but I'm not very.
What was
confident.
keeping you from using an IT software? What were your biggest fears?
One is like earlier it was like quite expensive also, and then you need a separate staff to do all these things, and you need to train them. They were not very user friendly, that easy to do. Like currently, which software I am using, there also, even if I want to make a new patient entry, like just I got a call for an appointment, if my number is there, for as a clinic number is there, so someone calls for an appointment, they will just give their name maybe, right, and their number is there. Other than that, we don't have any data right upfront over the call. So if I want to do entry of that particular patient, no, so I don't think any software is there, just for the new entry, just name and number, and that patient is entered in the software.
Then you should have a panel meeting with the rest of the physiotherapists on this panel today, because one of the physiotherapists has developed his own software where as soon as the patient comes, he takes a photograph, he inputs the x-rays, and he has details of all the treatment he gives to it. So yes, a software can do it, but you need to customize it according to your needs.
Exactly.
And that will depend upon your pattern of practice.
Right.
So I believe that there are softwares like Plus Physio which can be customized. You can use them because they have been made after talking to a large variety of physiotherapists and their needs and their requirements. So it generally takes care of almost all your needs. And they also offer training to you as well as your personnel on how to use the software. And if it is not covering a pattern that you require, they will actually customize it for you. So it is possible.
Yeah, that is good.
Now AI has infiltrated our world. Everywhere you see, from ChatGPT to the robots cleaning your rooms and people actually cutting out clothes on a very large bulk area, there is AI everywhere.
Right.
And I have also heard that there are AI assisted physiotherapy machines which can be fed, that this is the patient's problem. and these are the exact points at which he's having an issue, and you need to make these movements in this range, and that they do perfect movements. And of course, they are programmed with the help of a physiotherapist who's sitting there, but there is no hands-on of the physiotherapy. The hands-on is by the machine, which is assisted by AI. So have you actually ventured into the field? Have you utilized those kind of machines? And what is your take about them? Do you feel that, it is a good option?
Yeah, definitely it would be. I haven't come across till now where AI is taking care of patient totally in our field, because physiotherapy is very hands-on thing, Definitely machines are there. Machines will do their part. So AI-based technology are definitely, more advanced technology where we don't have to do much in the machines itself. We just have to enter the condition and all the other parameters are selected according to the condition. Earlier, that part was also manual. We have to select the frequency, or we have to select the intensity or the phase, or feed the data about the patient. Now we just have to mention the condition and it will program on its own. So
there are small machines which you are using already. Okay.
Yes. But I haven't come across where we are replaced. Like all the hands-on techniques.
I think all of us say the same thing. As a content writer, I say the same thing. The ChatGPT cannot replace me. So I would say that almost all the fields are fearing that robots are going to take over. But human is human.
Every
it just cannot be replaced.
So it should be customized. Even assessment is.
But it does make life easier.
Definitely, it will be a great help. It will be like a digital assistant, which will help us in time it will save the time, it will save the energy also, because 50-60% of work might be possible with them, but remaining 30-40 so definitely
has to be done by a physiotherapist. Is your clinic's booking system still offline?
It's not 100% offline, I would say. There are some platforms where patients can directly book the appointment at my clinic, but other than that I have this offline booking online.
Why have you not gone in for an online? Is it because of the fear of data theft?
No, because as I practice at different places, mostly the mouth to mouth patients are more, so they just forward my number and then they book the appointment via calling only.
But then how do you remember that this client is at this particular place?
Yes.
So an online system would definitely benefit you.
Yes, definitely it will benefit, but it should be at the same time smooth and user friendly.
And you have still not found a software which is smooth enough.
Yes. If I have to give more time managing the software, then it is
not worth your while.
Yeah.
Do you find it difficult to engage your patients after the sessions are over? Maybe a follow-up 1 month, follow-up 6 months, follow-up 1 year. Or maybe the patient is coming back after 2 years. So are you finding it difficult to engage with that patient?
Yes, definitely. That is a biggest challenge for everyone, I think, because even if I tell my patient that your follow-up is after the treatment is over, you have a follow-up visit next week, and then they don't turn up. And even we also don't remember sometimes that this patient follow-up was scheduled. So we also forget to give a call or give a reminder. So definitely,
if there was a software doing this for you, wouldn't it help your practice?
Definitely, it will look more professional. Patient will feel that we remember them, we care for them. Definitely we care for them.
And even the results or the outcome of the treatment will be better because the regular follow-ups are done. Definitely. So a software would help in the long run. What about your clinic's performance? Are you able to analyze your clinic's performance without data which is stored in a computer?
It is a challenge. It is very difficult to analyze the performance, because if online entry is there which I can access from anywhere, like remotely, even if I am sitting at another clinic or another place, and I want to see how patients, what all patients took treatment today, what treatment was given, what was the record, everything. If it is available online, it would be very
easy for you to assess. Definitely. Even the increase in your practice. Like in this year, 2022, you have done approximately 1,000 patients. In 2023, it's dropped down to 19. But it's probably reduced because there was some effect of a pandemic or something.
A day-to-day basis,
you would be able to assess whether your clinic is increasing,
or not. not, definitely. Even
So a
if
software would help in that also.
definitely.
So
will
are you
help.
thinking of switching over to a software?
Yes, I would love
And
to.
what about customizing it to your
Yes,
needs?
definitely. If my needs are met and it is easy to use and install, and even my colleagues and staff are ready to
So you are ready to become tech-savvy
tech-savvy,
physiotherapist.
definitely.
So thank you very much for sharing your insights into software development where physiotherapy is concerned. And there's one more small request. There are a lot of physiotherapists coming out in the market right now. And you've been in practice for 20 years without a software. What would you advise them regarding the use of software and what your fears were and what to learn from your fears? One step at a time.
Yes, one step at a time. So I would like to tell my fellow physiotherapists that I have been practicing since 20 years. Earlier, the people were also not friendly with the technology. Nowadays, patients are very, tech savvy. So if physiotherapists also start practicing this, incorporating this software earlier in their practice, they will save more time and energy in maintaining the records and everything which is can be done by a software. So I would like to suggest them go one step ahead and one step at a time, and just include this software in your practice. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Deepal, for being with us today.